Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you little parts in my living room that I'm going to decorate. I have been wanting to do this for a while, and I actually just did a poll on YouTube and asked you guys if y'all still wanted to see like decorating videos, because mostly I do Dollar Tree DIYs and most of you said yes. So we're going to finish the space behind me. I kind of started already about a month ago, I think. And I'm going to tell you what I've done, where everything's from, and then I also want to decorate my hutch for fall. I'll leave links below. I also kind of tried to dress for fall. I mean, it's still really hot in Houston, Texas, but I kind of feel like I'm going to the rodeo dressed like this, but I tried. So it's just super hot. Also, you might hear noise in the background. My kids are home, my family's home. I had to plan to do this video with them because they're in my living room, you know, they're doing their schoolwork all day. I have to help them. So we're in the evening time right now. So I'm sorry if the lighting is not as good as it should be, but I will try to edit that a little to make it look a little better as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into decorating. Okay, so this is the little area that I have decorated already, and I'm gonna change up a couple of things and add a couple of things. So kind of back up a little. On this side, I have just a little basket from Marshall's that I've been having for a while. I have a wooden pumpkin. This was from the Target dollar spot maybe last year, I think. And then I have some of these preserved burgundy and brown leaves, which I love. I actually want to go back to Hobby Lobby to pick up more because they're so pretty. I love using those. And then I just have a pillow in the back, which I am going to change. So since I'm already right here, I'm going to show you what I want to put. So I found these corduroy pillows on Amazon. They're actually pillow covers. I already have pillows. I bought two. I will link this below. Mostly everything is going to be linked in my Amazon store, but if I can't find it on there, then I will just have it linked below. I thought was perfect because I needed something to break up like that burgundy color that I have, and I just love the feeling of corduroy. I think it feels so soft. So I have a blanket in here for height, so that way, you know, the pillow and these leaves won't fall to the bottom. I went ahead and removed this pumpkin. I'll see where else I can put it. I feel like I need to move it. It looks like it's like camouflage, so it's kind of no point. This rack right here was from, I have two, I'll show you the other one in a minute. This one was thrifted, and what I did to both, it came with like wooden knobs. So what I did was change them for some Amazon hooks. Now, these are such a good price. I don't remember exactly or the exact cost, but I know it came with a huge pack for super cheap because I was trying to look for some like at Home Depot and Lowe's, way more expensive there. And they will be linked in my Amazon store. And this is actually a table runner. That was from, I believe, Marshall's, and I've been having that for a while. This was from Hobby Lobby. I remember I got it on clearance. It was supposed to have some type of like glass part right here, and it didn't have it, so it was super cheap. And then what I did was I have some Spanish moss, and I added a few pumpkins. These pumpkins are actually from Dollar General. They have like a pack in a bag, and I think they were like $3. They came with more pumpkins. There was also some white ones in there. I'm gonna go ahead and exchange these two pillows. This pillow, I actually found it at a thrift store. This blanket was, I think it's actually a scarf, but you can use it like this for decor, or you can wear it, of course. It was from Hobby Lobby. So this is from Hobby Lobby. I believe this amber base is as well. These florals in here, I have two types. So I actually have these stems right here. This is a whole bouquet right here, and then I stuck in these little preserved leaves in here because I like those colors mixed together. Everything else is thrifted, so this basket is kind of damaged on that side, so I want to hide that. I have these thrifted books in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and hide those words, so I'm going to turn that. All three of these books. I like to find thrifted books at Goodwill. So I will go into Goodwill and look at the books and just try to find ones that look old, and then some of them are vintage. I'll look at the dates inside. So, and this cute little neutral pumpkin is actually a DIY, a Dollar Tree DIY. I will link that below if y'all want to see how I made it. It was really, really easy. And also the bench was thrifted from Goodwill. I found that there. It was all beat up and an ugly color, and I just sanded it down, painted it white at the bottom, and stained the top. So what do you guys think? I went ahead and removed the red or burgundy book. This sign, I actually made it myself. The words, I used my Cricut Joy to add that, but I will link the Cricut design below. Okay, I didn't realize that I wasn't really in that shot, so I was probably, my head was cut off in that one. So anyways, that's how it looks. I think it came out really, really pretty. It's coming out a little bit darker on camera from what I'm seeing, but all right. And here is the other hooks. Again, that I got that thrifted from a local thrift store, and all I did was just add the hooks on there from Amazon. This basket is from Hobby Lobby. The leaves are from Hobby Lobby, the preserved ones, and then that little sign as well. You can just see this whole area. I feel like it's just missing. Something's just missing right there. So what I have is two thrifted baskets that I have been having for a while now. I want to hang them up there like that. Hang them with some Scotch wall mounts, I believe that's what it is. Yes. I got this from Amazon. This Scotch mount tape. Again, this will all be linked. And I also bought the command strips. These are my favorite, guys. Ever since I moved into my house, I've made sure to use these as much as I can. You know, of course, there's decor that you can't use that's super heavy. So now I'm gonna decorate the hutch, and I'm doing a voiceover for this part because my family had already gotten back from softball practice. So this is how my hutch looks right now. That back wooden piece was a Hobby Lobby clearance find a while back, and the glass lantern was a thrift store find. I'm using these two baskets from Walmart. I believe they were about $7 each in the fall decor section. So I'm gonna try to link those below too. I'm going to use these Hobby Lobby items inside of the baskets, kind of like they're falling out. This first one is the greenery with white little flowers and some fall colors in there. That was the same stem as the one in the amber vase on my bench that I just showed you. I also picked up two pumpkin stems. Well, I have 4 in total, so I'm going to put 2 in one and 2 in the other. My only mistake is that one is whitewashed and one isn't, or maybe the other one just rubbed off, but that's okay. I really like the way these look. And then I have the same brown preserved leaves that I've been using this whole video. Okay, so I'm going to let you watch while I add all of this in there. Alright, both baskets are done. Now I'm going to add this Hobby Lobby Fall Sweet Fall sign in the center that I've been having for a while. Moving on to the second shelf, I'm adding this Target Dollar Spot basket that I have been having for a while as well, with some pumpkins in there. These pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. I will link any of them that I can below. And then to the right side of that, I added this Farmhouse box. It is galvanized, and The opposite side says farmhouse, but I just turned it around. This is another Target dollar spot basket that I have had. The books in there, some of them are thrifted, some of them are from Dollar Tree. The one in the front right there is Liz Galvan's home decor book, which I'm obsessed with. Hers is linked in my Amazon store. And then I have some Hobby Lobby wooden beads. Here's another Hobby Lobby sign from last year. I'm also going to add a little pumpkin pick on the side, and I believe that one was from Walmart last year. You'll also see me switch up a few things. Right here, I actually have a Dollar Tree amber vase from last year with another one of those picks, but I just removed the pumpkin. Here's a Dollar General candle that I'm going to use. I'm just going to face the label toward the back. Here's a basket of pumpkins. I'm going to grab the top white ones that are from the Target dollar spot. I've had them for a few years. And then a couple of acorns. Oh, and I went ahead and added that wooden pumpkin right here. I'm placing this thrift store find to the right side of all of this. This is kind of like an old tray. This amber vase is also from Dollar Tree. I found them last year. Let me know if they have them this year because I would really like to pick up more. And then the small little candle holder is such a pretty color. I love it. It's like an orange color. It looks antique, and that's from Dollar Tree too. I told you earlier that I made that pumpkin that was in the basket on the bench, and these are a couple more that I made. So I found these on Amazon as well. They're 2 pillow covers, and I like it because it's a ticking fabric, so it's kind of farmhouse, and it has a faux leather stripe in the center. So I remember this price. They were 2 for 20 bucks. So all I'm going to do is just put them over 2 pillows that I already have, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them on my hutch so I can take a pretty picture. I'm adding this wreath in the center right there with a hook. These hooks are awesome. They are from Amazon. They hold about 13 pounds, I believe. They're linked in my Amazon store. I added just a bunch of stuff on the wreath that I had from last year and previous years. I'm going to do a close-up of everything in a minute, but I wanted to show y'all this arrangement that I wanted to add in my bathroom. Even though I'm not going to show y'all in there because I have nothing of fall in there. I have this Walmart basket that I've been having for a while. These are some Walmart flowers, peonies I believe, if I'm saying that right. And I have 2 different colored greeneries, some berries, and that messed up little stem of, I don't know, wheat I think. So I'm just going to add all of this in there, and then I'll show y'all how that ends up looking. Excuse all the fallout on the floor. When I decorate, I make a little bit of a mess, and I'm just constantly sweeping and all that. But now we're going to add all of this stuff in here, and it's going to look really pretty. You can also add a little bit of floral foam in here for like the small little stems that are too little so they won't fall down all the way inside of the basket. Make a change for us. I said take a chance on us. Take a chance on us. Oh, the sound of your heartbeat. I'm gone. I'm gone. I will surrender. Oh, when you kiss me, oh so sweet. You're the one. Say you're the one. No. Now I will show you everything that I decorated today. I really appreciate if you came to watch and finish till the end. I haven't done a decorating video in so long because I wasn't sure if anyone really wanted to see them anymore from me. just because I mostly do Dollar Tree DIYs, but I'm obsessed with decor. I love it so much. I know I'm not the best at it, but I just like to put what I like and think is pretty together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite, or if you have any questions for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Baby, I got you.